Roborock S5 Max Main features intelligent planning path, memory family layout, cleaning every corner. Wi-Fi connect mobile phone, timing boot, automatic cleaning for home and office. Automatic charging. 2000 PA large suction, brushless motor. The noise is less than 55 decibels, V-shaped floating roller brush. The electric water tank of S5 Max has a brand new ultra-precise peristaltic pump and it is large to hold 290 milliliters of water, good for mopping 200 SQM once. 460 megaliters dust box, double filter system. Effective filter dust, mites, and more clean air. 5,200 mAh long life Li battery, it can cleaning 290 square meters of the environment. 96 mm slim design enable this robot vacuum cleaner working in the narrow space. Works with Alexa and Google Home voice assistant.